Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandan Sudhi, and today's video is very important mainly for the young students, freshers and young professionals who wants to build up their career, who wants to take career in sustainability domain friends or ESG domain friends. So this is something a part 2 of the skill set you need to know, you need to understand what kind of skill set is required if you want if you want to build up your profile or you update your CV in sustainability for getting a proper job in sustainability and ESG domain friends. It's a very important video. Any fresher, any students who wants to skill up, or if you want to transit from any other profile to sustainability and ESG profile, for those young professionals also is very important. What kind of skill set is important for you to build up such that you get a job in sustainability and ESG friends. So this is part 2 of the video. Part 1 I have already uploaded where you'll find another skill I have discussed about. Today's video will contain another different skill which is required for you to understand, for you to skill up such that you can be part of the sustainability journey friends. So let's deep dive and understand the kind of skill I'm talking about friends in this particular video. The first video I was talking about is mainly on the sustainability reporting kind of skill set, and this particular video I'm talking about mainly on the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. So this is something another skill set which is required by any company where they want to prepare, a report, sustainability report based on the SDGs, or if they have adopted any other standard, let's say GRI or any other standard, but they want to club it, map it, all the SDGs with their internal or sustainability report friends. So there is also a profile where you can apply or you can think of or you can building a skill set. So you should know different kind of SDGs first of all also you should know how to implement the SDGs or how to map the SDGs in the existing report or the report which the company is going to prepare. So as a consultant, you can guide the company how you can map SDGs into their report, how you can integrate SDGs in their report, sustainability report, or as a company, as an organization, if you're reporting, so you being an employee who can help the organization to generate the report and map SDGs in that particular report, friends. So it's very important profile. You should know how you can integrate SDG, how you can map SDG in the report, in the sustainability report or annual report. This is something I'm going to deal with you in this particular video, friends. So first of all, you should know the 17 SDGs, right? What they actually mean. You do not memorize the SDGs, you do not by heart all these SDGs, but you should be aware of the different kind of SDGs or 17 SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, which are important. So you should know, you should understand the real world problems they solve, how SDGs are important, why these SDGs are important, what they actually mean, and how they integrate and solve the real world problem. For example, let's say start with the SDG 1. SDG 1 is no poverty. So this is something talking about the social protection, financial inclusion, livelihood programs. So this SDG is talking about these things. Zero hunger is SDG 2, which is talking about the food security for sustainable agriculture. So you should know how these SDGs are playing a key role and why these SDGs are important to help, you know, to help solve the real world problems, right? So you should know importance of SDGs and how to integrate these SDGs in the reporting journey, friends, for any company or as a consultant helping any other company to prepare or generate the report. So mapping of SDGs is very important, friends. So as I'm talking about how companies align with SDGs is a very important profile where you can build up your skill set, your understanding on SDGs, and ultimately help the company align with SDGs, right? So this is the most practical skill for jobs at a basic level, at a startup level, as a fresher or beginner. You should know the different kind of SDGs and how to map these SDGs in the report. So map their sustainability initiative. For example, any company is also working on different initiatives under SDGs, right? So you should know how to pull the information from those initiatives that the company is part of or the initiatives that they have taken on SDGs. You should know how to highlight those initiatives within the report and map the initiatives with the concerned SDGs, right? So you have to identify which SDGs are material to their business and which are not. Then you have to use the SDGs in the ESG report. So whatever report they are publishing with any standard, let's say they are publishing the report with BRSR standard or GRI or any other standard they are using for preparing the report or publishing the report. So you have to club to map the SDGs with the concerned data points or as per the standard. So this is something a key skill you should learn to understand SDG and map SDG in their report, integrate SDG in their report, or at least try to highlight the initiatives basis the SDGs, which SDGs fit in their initiatives, right? How to communicate SDG impact to stakeholder, because suppose a company is working and taking a lot of initiatives, but they are not able to highlight or disclose in a proper manner, or not able to map with the SDGs, right? So the stakeholder will not be able to understand. So you have to play a key role. You have to update your profile in such a way such that you can help the company to pull out the information from their initiatives and then integrate or highlight the different SDGs they are part of into their report such that their stakeholders are aware of now. Okay, it will create an impact on the stakeholders, be it an internal stakeholder or external stakeholder. Let's say there is an investor, so investor will come to know, okay, this company is beautifully, integrating SDGs and they are working on different SDGs. So if you highlight those pointers within the report, then only the stakeholder will come to know or understand, right? If the company is working but it's not able to highlight key SDGs, okay, so it's all waste. So there you play an important role. Therefore, as a beginner, as a fresher, you should start upskilling yourself on understanding SDG and how to integrate or how to align the SDGs in the report, in any company's report file. This is a key profile you should think of, right? So why this skill makes you job ready? So most important point is it's not only about upskilling. Ultimate aim is to get a job, to get a good job in any organization, be it a consultant or be it any company you're looking for, good company you're looking for as a job profile. So first thing first is to build up your skill. Now how this skill set will help you job ready. So by learning SDG mapping, you can contribute to ESG, BRSR, TRI reporting. First of all, you can be part of any team who is preparing the report as a consultant for any company or within a company. So you can be part of that journey, the reporting journey. So this is one important point. Then support sustainability strategy team. So somebody or company is trying to strategize, okay, what strategy they should put up to, for the entire year to drive the sustainability. There, if you know the mapping, correct mapping, so you can help the company to prepare their strategy. So support sustainability strategy team. So this skill set is very important in that way, right? So work with NGOs and development projects. So a lot of projects are there which is taken care by the NGOs. There also you can be part of, right? So you can help the NGOs, you can guide the NGOs to be part of the NGO team, right? Where you know the SDGs. So you can create impact assessment. So this will literally help you to prepare yourself to create an impact, and also it will strengthen your resume. So if you add these things that I know, I have an understanding of these things as SDGs, okay, I know I can help or contribute and create an impact. So these all keywords what I'm talking about will help you to, update your resume, strengthen your resume, and this will help you to not only face the interview confidently, also will help you to get a good job, right? You can also update your LinkedIn profile. Okay, I have this kind of skill set under sustainability. This will help you to, as a beginner, as a fresher, this will help you to get a correct direction. Correct direction you will get how to go ahead in the sustainability journey. So SDG literacy is a universal sustainability skill, and this is relevant across all industries. It's not I'm talking about a specific sector or specific industry. It is relevant across all the industries. So you should be literally aware of the SDGs. You should know how to map the SDGs. You should help the client or consultant as a consultant. You should help to map or integrate SDGs in their sustainability report or in their sustainability strategy journey, right? So there are different opportunities for you available for you in the market if you learn these skills, right? I hope the content was useful. Let me know in the comment front, do you need more understanding on SDG mapping? And this is something you can start with as a natural interest, you can build your skills, do small projects, and this will help you to grow within the sustainability domain, friends. I hope the content was meaningful for you, and do connect with me, do share your thoughts, interest. If you want to have any kind of queries, you can discuss with me, connect with me, friends, and I'll come back with more videos, more content, which will help you drive sustainability, which will help you to build your profile within sustainability domain, friends. So as a fresher, as a beginner, these videos are literally helpful for you. Do keep watching the videos, friends. So I have created a number of videos for you. You can go through the other videos in my on my channel, and you can follow me for more updates on sustainability, career opportunities, and guidance. You can also connect with me. Follow me on LinkedIn. I'll drop the link in the description below. You can email me with any queries, any thoughts, any questions if you have in your mind. If you want to discuss something with me, you can email me and connect with me. Follow me, friends. So this is something I wanted to share with you. I'll come back with more videos, more content, more fruitful content, which will help you, build up your profile within sustainability, friends. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, like and share the content if you found it useful. Subscribing the channel will help you get more content, regular updates, and also it will motivate me to prepare more videos for you friends. So do subscribe the channel. This is my kind request. You can comment if you have any query or suggestion for the next video you want me to prepare. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning, friends.